It is September 1st and I'm really excited about that date because that is my go time for my fall garden. Now recently I had some of my seedlings hardening off under shade cloth for about a week. These are just a few of the many trays that I've got, but I'm going to put those into this bed. But before I do any planting, what I do is amend it with compost, high quality compost. And so I fill up some tubs. Now I make a lot of that compost myself, but I never make as much as I need. So what this is soil cubed, which I have access to. That is very high quality compost that you can purchase. And so I've added some compost that I made, and then this is the purchase stuff. But about 1 to 2 inches is what I'm adding into the top of these beds. I'm top dressing them. They go right on the surface. I don't rake them in. I don't dig it in, nothing like that. All these living organisms, including the earthworms, are going to take this down into the soil, so I don't even have to dig it in. But I have to say, high quality compost, whether you make it yourself or you find a good source for that, like Soil Cubed, really is one of my secret ingredients to having a very productive fall garden. In fact, everything growing in my garden all year round I attribute to the success of the soil, and the biggest contributor to that is high quality compost. So have some around whenever you need it, keep adding it, and you too will have an unbelievably productive garden.